Starting a company from the ground up is a huge challenge. It requires a unique blend of vision, perseverance, and the right people. When it comes to the story of Lemonway, it's a tale of three individuals who came together to create something significant in the financial technology space. In 2007, the journey began with Sebastian Berlet and Antoine Orsini. They were the original co-founders who saw a need to simplify and secure online payments. Their initial focus was on creating a platform that could handle the complex payment flows for marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms. They were building the core technology that would become the foundation of Lemonway. A couple of years later, in 2009, Damien Germonprez joined the team. His experience and leadership brought a new dynamic to the company, and he became an integral part of the founding team. He took on the role of executive president, while Antoine Orsini served as CEO. Together, they worked to secure the company's payment institution accreditation from the French Prudential Supervision and Resolution Authority, a crucial step that allowed them to operate across Europe. The synergy between these three founders was key to Lemonway's early success. Sebastian's technical expertise, Antoine's leadership as CEO, and Damien's strategic vision propelled the company forward. Sebastian eventually left in 2018 to pursue a new venture, but his contributions were fundamental to building the initial platform. Today, Lemonway is a leading payment institution, and its story is a testament to the combined efforts of its founders. They envisioned a solution that would make digital transactions more efficient and secure, and their work laid the groundwork for the company's continued growth and expansion across Europe.